Creatology felt sheets, in this case 18 pieces, all in one package. These are 9 by 12 inches or 22.8 by 30.4 centimeters. 100% polyester. In this specific package, we've got brown to black and some gray. So it'll depend on what you're looking for, but this package gives you that natural look to it. Pop it open. There we go. It does have some cardboard in here to keep it flat. You have 3 sheets per type, so the darker gray, black, lighter gray, dark brown, white, and lighter brown. Pretty simple to the point. There's one sheet. It's relatively thin, although I can't see through it, which is good. There's a cross section of one of the sheets. Pretty much what you would expect. The edge is smooth, cleanly cut. There is a shiny side to the felt as well as a matte side. So depending on your project, depending on what you want to do, it's nice that you have options. There's the black, also not see-through, which is good. The lighter gray, very nice. The dark brown, here's our white, and the lighter brown. Very nice. Close-up of the white, see what it looks like. Soft to the touch, should be pretty nice for various projects. That was a look at this Creatology 18-piece pack of various types of felt. Scott of Cosplay Bonsai, see ya.